Welcome, in front of me is Xiaomi RedmiBook 14, and in this video I will show you how to push this device on the lock screen. So you can do this either by pressing the start button right here, then selecting power options and going to lock, or if you want to see the more convenient way to do this, at least it is for me, then you'll have to use a shortcut, and let me show it to you. So simply press Windows button and L button at the same time, like this, and this will also put your device on the lock screen, just like before. Okay, and basically that's it. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.